Are you looking for a way to take your EEG exam with confidence? Trusted Neurodiagnostics Academy is now accepting students for our upcoming clinical EEG program. Our program has been recognized by ABRET as an approved program in 2020 and will allow students to take their exams via Pathway 2. The Trusted Neurodiagnostics Academy's EEG clinical training program is an online 14-month didactic and clinical program. Once completed, students will be proficient in the foundational EEG knowledge and clinical skills to move into the workforce. In order to apply, you must do the following: attend an open house, submit your resume, submit one letter of recommendation, interview, clinical site selection. Virtual open house. For more information, join one of our open houses listed here. For links to open houses, go to trustedacademy.com/upcoming-classes.